I'm here at Manikapur and I thought that this was the end point, but the place beyond that also had pitched road, so we are going there. Stay tuned. I'll see you again. Beautiful here. The field, crops are grown, and the jungle behind it. It's really beautiful, and the water had carved the hills over there.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.
Yes,
speaking words of wisdom.
It's
let it be.
Already 10 at the morning, so
and in my hour of
I should go home.
darkness, she is standing right in front of me.
I had to go to the so-called travel road now.
Let it be.
Let's see you there.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be.
No, not very serious.
When broken heart.
Here we are at the Provincial College of Engineering. Oh my goodness, it is so huge. Looks beautiful, isn't it? And it hasn't been started doing classes, but it looks beautiful. It looks like a palace. Hello, I'm here at Viral Road, and it's too गर्मी छ अहिले 11 साढे 11 हुन लाग्यो, and खाना खाने टाइममा आएको छु, so it's kind of not wastage of time. राम्रो रहेछ, just go. And मेरो खुट्टा हेरौँ न, भाइरल रोड भनेर तल पुगेको हिलो रहेछ, पछि फर्केर आएँ, तर जस बाइक ढालेन. I am a good driver, hence. So आजको यो जर्नी पनि पुरा भयो, and next stop
myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be.
So I am back to make a new. Oh shit. Oh, that's a nice experience. Nice.
People living in the world agree there will be an answer. Let it be. For though they may be.
बादलहरु चाहिँ बहुत सही देखिरहेछ क्या. के भन्ने 13 दिन 14 दिन छ इक्जाम, 2 हप्ता, एन्ड प्रिपेरेसन अहिलेसम्म 10% सम्म मात्रै छ. 14 दिनमा 90% कभर हुँदैन, 70% कभर हुन्छ. सो फर्केछु, अनि अब यहाँ घुम्न आएको बेलामा जति के पढेको आएको बेला. सो गुड एक्सपिरियन्स. कठ्यो लास्टै पार्टी पुगेको छ हाम्रो. सो लेट्स एन्ड हियर. बाइ. अब घरतिर जानु पऱ्यो. तर राम्रो ठाउँमा राम्रो रोड बनायो है। तर रोडको क्वालिटी भने कस्तो भने चाहिँ मैले कति 5-10 मिनट त्यो हालेको स्ट्यान्ड यस्तो भइसकेछ। त्यही के हो यस्तो राम्रो गराएछ, हल्का फुल्का राम्रो त गराउनुपर्छ। अब यो मैले जानी गराएको पनि होइन यो कस्ता इन्जिनियर ठेकेदार रहेछ। बट on side become civil engineer, I'll try to change it. क्वालिटी चाहिँ ठिक रहन्छ, एकदम खराब रहेछ रोडको क्वालिटी।
More the memory comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom.
Here we are at
let it be.
Countryside. Much greenish view. So here we start. We are Pachadiko roadside. Let's explore. Okay. Oh my goodness.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. In my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me.
1, 2, 3.
Speaking words of wisdom.
Good.
Let it be.
I'm a happy rider.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Whisper words of let it be.
How's my nose? Thank God. It's not about ride, it's about rider.
They will see. There will be an answer. Let it be. 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 There will be an answer. Let it be.